this lecture for class 9th physics. In last class we discussed the scalar and vector quantities and some displacement and distance and velocity and speed. Now today we will discuss about one more thing, average velocity and average speed and average speed. Suppose one man goes from A to B t1 second s1 distance, B to C t2 second s2 distance, C to D t3 second and s3 distance. That means different distance travel in different times. Then what will be the speed? Then there will say that this is average speed. Average speed, and average speed is equal to total distance upon total time. That means s1 plus s2 plus s3 upon t1 plus t2 plus t3. That means total distance upon total time is known as average speed. And average velocity, you know that the displacement is only one, not total. That means the distance from initial point to final point, that from which distance? Least distance. That means displacement upon total time. Okay, you can see here in numerical. Suppose a cow moved from this corner field to B, from this corner to B, from B to C, okay, from A to B, which is suppose 4 meter, B to C, which is 3 meter, and this time taken 2 seconds, and in this path time taken 1 second, and it reached from A to C. Then what is its average speed and what is its average velocity? Now average speed, total distance 4 plus 3 upon total time 2 plus 1 is equal to 7 upon 3 meter per second. But average velocity is equal to displacement what? The minimum distance from A to C, any initial and final point, and this distance will, by Pythagoras theorem, 4 square hypotenuse perpendicular square plus base square is equal to AC square. That means 4 4 16 plus 9 is equal to 25. AC square is equal to, AC is equal to 25 square root is equal to 5 meter. Then this will 5 meter. Then displacement is 5 upon time total 2 plus 1 is equal to 5 upon 3 meter per second. Okay, understand average speed and average velocity. You can solve more numericals from your notebook.